Guys, kain po tayo guys after my workout. Scrambled eggs and brown bread and 1 glass of coffee. Hindi yan coffee guys, pang diet yan. Okay, like this lang guys. Simple lang po yung food ko guys. O, diba? Sarap-sarap. Halika, kain na tayo. Samahan niyo po ako sa aking meal. Yan. Simple lang pero masarap. Okay? After workout, just eat like this. Okay. So, dyan lang po kayo guys. Thank you for watching and thank you for always there. For always support for Shalalas Anna's Kitchen. Bye-bye. See you in my next vlog.